Hey, now why don't we lose this party? You're all that I'm looking for. Somehow in these few hours I found the world is so much more. I know it's a long shot, well that's just my thing. Maybe these miles of land divide us, and maybe it's not ideal. But maybe that's just the thing to bind us and find a way to reveal an old-fashioned love of words and promises. And for all times apart, and for our longing hearts, and for those little things we held on to, I do. I'll give you this empty box and promise that I will fill it for you with every day not took for granted, yeah, every one renewed. And maybe the small thing I've been saving too. And for each spoiled surprise I can never hide, and for all of the good I see in you, I do. And for all of our willingness to lose, I do. And oh, despite myself, I get caught up in day-to-days of life, only to find that I've not said goodnight to the most precious and most right, the most precious part of my life lying by my side. And oh, for that first day when we parted ways, only to